Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to go to the Creator Feed in Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to go to the Creator Feed. At the bottom right next to my, you can see a button like this called as More. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From this section, as you guys can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as Creator Feed. It's at the bottom. Click on it. And this is it, guys. This is how we go to Creator Feed on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. As you guys can see, I am in the Creator Feed. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.